Hello friends, in the previous video I explained about Elementor plugin and we built this page using Elementor plugin. You can see something like this. So now once you think like you need to transfer your website from localhost to remote server in your online website, so I will show you the complete process now. So you can see it is localhost/WordPress. The website is here. There are lots of plugins which we will have to discuss. Obviously we will discuss in the next videos of this series, WordPress for beginners, but right now I want to show you like how we can transfer this content from local server to the remote server. So we have folder in our C drive exam in htdocs. This is WordPress folder. Open this folder, Ctrl+A, select all files, then right click and click on add to archive and then check zip and then click OK. So this will make a zip file of these all files. Then open your cPanel and file manager. Now select the domain where you want to transfer. If you want to transfer in your main domain, then you will have to select public_HTML. And if you want to transfer in any other domain, like I want to transfer here, so I will open this my website learneasycode.com. So if you want to transfer like in add-on domain, then you will select that folder. I will transfer in subfolder. So what I will do, I will create a new folder here with my name like Omer and create new folder. You can see the folder is here. So if I open learneasycode.com/Omer, you can see like it is empty directory. It's showing nothing here. Okay, so what we will do, the directory is empty. So we will upload that zip file. So select file and here in this PC like C drive, exam, htdocs, WordPress and select this one. So it's uploading, like it's almost 35 MB. Till then the one more thing we will do, open localhost/phpMyAdmin. So now here you will have to check like which database we are using. We need to export the database from localhost. So if you are not sure, you can open like the WordPress folder in wp-config. Open this file with notepad and here you can see the database is Omer, but we are using DB name Omer. But so what we will do, this we will open this database and here we will select all, click on check all and click export. So this will export, then no need to change any other option, just click on go and this will export the database. Now in file manager, like the folder is uploading and now we will open like this our cPanel and here you can see click on MySQL database wizard. So open this one, MySQL database wizard. So we will create a new database here. Actually the folder is uploading, so the speed like this, it's taking time. So now create a database. So what you will do, like open notepad and like the new database name is Omer but_Omer. So the database name you will type here like Omer but_Omer. You will type definitely your own database, then username like this, and the password I will use password generator, and I have copied this password in a safe place. This is the password, and the DB username I will also use same. So create user, and in this step all privileges you will have to select and then click next step. So now click return home. So database has been created. Now you will click on PHP My Admin. This is cPanel PHP My Admin. Folder is still uploading a zip file actually. So now in this PHP My Admin of my cPanel, I can see the database which I created. So open this one, and here you can see like no tables found in this database. So click on import, and the database is here .sql. So we will need to upload that file, SQL file. Choose file. I will select from the desktop. Like this one, .sql, and no need to change any other option, just click on go. So now database also importing here. So what actually we did, we exported that database from PHP My Admin localhost, and we are importing in the cPanel PHP My Admin. And the next thing, like we exported the WordPress files, we saved as a zip file, and we are importing in the file manager or in the main root folder of your website domain. So import has been successfully finished. 96 queries executed. Now you can see in this database the tables are there, all tables which we exported from there. So now we need this one. So it's 58% now. So just wait for a few seconds, or let me pause the video and will resume the video once it will complete. So it's almost now 95%, you can see. And once it will upload, then we will extract this zip file in the file manager, and then some database settings and database information we will have to change according to our cPanel database. So it's 100% complete, and it's green now. Go back to this folder. You can see now it is here. So right click and extract this one in your cPanel, extract file. So this will extract in the same, like you can refresh from here or reload also from here. So you can see all things are there. Now this zip file we don't need anymore. So what we can do, we can delete from here and skip the trash and permanently delete the files. So I will delete this zip file. So if I try to like refresh now this one, learneasycode.com/Omer, so you can see error establishing a database connection now. So what things we will have to change now, this file wp-config.php file, edit this file from here, edit in your cPanel and here you can see like db name Omer, but so it is showing like localhost database name, and username like localhost database username, which is root, and the password is blank. So we will have to type the db name like this name, and the username also same, and the password which I selected this one. and then click save changes. Now if I try to refresh, you can see like database error removed and our website is here, and the page you are trying to reach does not exist or has been removed. Please use the menus. So here you can see like something you will have to fix, like the home page is not like that one, but everything is there. You can see even the post, like if you open, so you can see it's opening like localhost because links are still localhost. Now some things more we will have to change. So what we will do, learneasycode.com/Omer is now working, but now we will go back to our this PHP my admin of cPanel, and here you can see WP_options. Open this one, and here first two rows, like you can see the site URL and home. So edit them and copy your website URL and add here like this, and click on go. It's updated the first row and also second row. Update this one and click on go. Now you refresh your perfect. Now you can see everything is there, learneasycode.com/Omer, and our home page is also, it's showing the content which we had in the localhost. Everything is working, like categories also now working. You can see now it will not redirect to localhost. See, learneasycode.com/Omer. So it will work like this. Okay, because I have already like in my website learneasycode.com, so therefore it is redirecting also there. So when you will upload in your main website, it will not create this issue. So like this we can transfer the content from localhost to the remote server. I uploaded in my subfolder, but you will upload in your main domain. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you have learned a lot in this video, and now you know that how you can transfer your local server WordPress website content from local server to the remote server to your online cPanel website. Thank you very much once again. Please subscribe my channel and also share the video with your friends. Thank you very much once again.